This one knows puddles.
Okay, you ready? Come on, let's check it out. Puddle jumper. That's just a little itty bitty one, isn't it? That's an itty bitty one too. That's a good one. What do you see?
I'm going all the way down.
What do you see going all the way down?
The river.
A little river? What would you like to do? That's some good muddy puddles. Can you hear the birds and the foghorn? Honk. I wonder why the foghorn's on. It's not foggy, is it, Cal? What are you thinking about, little man? You're very still. Are you frozen? Yeah? Why are you frozen? Frozen blueberries? Is that what you're thinking about? You're frozen. Can you unfreeze? There, you're moving again. Can you jump? Whoa, that was a good one. Oh no. Whoa, you got me. I felt that splash on me.